Hi everyone, and welcome to European Blockchain Convention here in beautiful Barcelona. I am Simone, CEO of CODEGO. How are you today, guys? For me, it's a pleasure to be here again on behalf of CODEGO and talk with you about the innovation of the digital banking in CODEGO's vision and how our fintech is growing over years. Some of you might already know who we are and what is our core business. But let me explain here and introduce to those who don't know what we do at best. Coming from a long experience in software development and crypto environment, CODEGO is now leader in digital finance field, building innovative technologies and improving day by day the current solution we provide. Now, let's take a step back and let me tell you about our main services. First of all, depending on what kind of customer you are, we can provide different white label solutions with different services. Whether you are a financial institution or a bank, an exchange, a coin, or a blockchain, or maybe just you want to distribute your own branded cards or you want to become a reseller, we have basically the final solution for you. Let's start with our white label bank. CODEGO allows you to set up your own bank in Europe thanks to our full bank license as agent in France, Germany, Spain, and Italy, where we can provide local IBANs. In just a few weeks, everything will be set and ready to go live. With a full banking license, you can grant your customer with any kind of financial services, such as SEPA transfer, SWIFT payment, and debit cards. You will be able to provide your users with a fully branded debit and prepaid cards. And the system will make it easier for them just to transfer and receive money through basically their personal electronic wallet. And basically you don't have to worry about anything because CODEGO develops everything from backend and mobile application for iOS and Android with your own brand. But that's not all. Let's move to our main service. That one is our best seller and we are really proud of. The white label debit and prepaid card solution. This is a full ready-to-use solution which allows you to operate in just a few weeks. That comes with a fully branded new app available for iOS and Android that includes incredible new features such as multi-currency wallet, possible setup in euro and dollar, IBAN service account, and over 600 currencies with liquidity. In this way, you can distribute Visa and MasterCard cards with your own brand and relax while we work for you and ship the card directly to our customers. Of course, you can manage and set by yourself all the criteria from the platform backend. You can decide everything. Percentage on crypto transaction, retail fees, and cost, profit, send push notification, and everything in real time with the full details. You will have a full, complete knowledge of your business in your hand. And, what is most important, you can do this in any country of the world, and without any license needed, because it will be us, from our side, who guarantee everything under our distribution agreement. But now, let's move forward and let's talk about another of our top services, really appreciated by all those customers who are attracted by the crypto environment. Our crypto card allows you to pay with more than 600 cryptocurrencies, ready to be spent directly without exchange, and with all the revenues granted by loyalty program. So, how does it work? The user can set his debit card and then sort his crypto to decide which one to pay first. We provide liquidity through our providers. And, again in backend, you can decide your profit and fees. You pay with your cryptos, and the merchants receive fiat, just instantly. Now, let me present here also one of the new solutions we are able to provide this year, the white label POS terminal system. With our POS terminal, we can provide a wide range of useful functions and services that can satisfy all the needs, basically, of your customer payment. So, this solution is perfect for the merchants, for example, all those running a shop or similar, who can easily and safely set their own terminal and operate in any part of the world. Our POS works with Wi-Fi connection in any country, basically, and with any kind of card running under every circuit and network. It accepts contactless, EMV chip, and swipe payment. And it also works with Apple and Google Pay, with every currency and instantly. As we are close to the end of my speech, let's sum up and make now a quick recap. So, why CODEGO is the best service provider for your business, and what we can offer that others cannot provide. Always a wide range of new services and features are available. No license is needed. Our distribution agreement is guaranteed worldwide except for sanctioned countries, of course. We are able to deliver the service thanks to our 58 being sponsors in the world. And the solution is completely ready to use, which allows you to go live just in a few weeks. So, thank you everyone for my short time, and I hope to meet you later today here in European Blockchain Convention to better discuss about potential cooperation. Have a good day to everyone, and keep in touch. Thank you.